Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to make Vodka Gimlet. Very simple one. It has only 3 ingredients also: vodka, and fresh lime juice, and simple syrup. Some ice. So as I told you, I'm gonna use 3 ounces of vodka. This is a 1.5 ounce. So I am using exactly 3 ounces of vodka. Great. One more. Alright, 3 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Perfect. And just 15 ml of simple syrup. Do not put much, only 15 ml of simple syrup. Right? Great. I'm gonna shake it for 10 seconds. Okay, now I'm gonna strain it to the martini glass in here. So one lime wheel in here. Whew, great, right? So this is your Vodka Gimlet. Thanks for watching guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.